want to solve this geometry angles. So we have the line there shows that it's what? Parallel lines. And that is parallel lines. So here, what we have to do is to solve for the angles, that is A, B, and C. Right. So to solve for any of the letters, you can see 43 degrees, that is there. So with this, you see the 43 degrees here is vertically opposite. So here will be 43 degrees. That will be 43 degrees. We call it vertically opposite angles. Yeah, vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So 43 is equal to this side. That is what? Vertically opposite angles and parallel lines. So this is parallel lines angle that we are looking at. So 43 here is the same as the angle here. You can see the straight line here and another straight line here crossing each other. So this becomes what? Vertically opposite angles. So if you are having here to be 43, here to be 65 degrees, and here to be C, then we can use sum of angles in a triangle to solve it. Sum of angles in a triangle to solve it. So sum of angles in a triangle, that is 180. So you'll be having, this is 43 degrees plus 65 degrees plus C. So this is it. 43. We have three angles in a triangle. So 43 plus 65 plus C. And that will give us what? 180. So 43, 65, C give us 180 degrees. Okay. So now you add 43 and then 65 degrees. So they give us 8, 10. So that will be 108. 108 degrees plus the angle C, that will give us 180 degrees. Right. So now you need to transfer 108 to the other side of the equal sign. So you leave the C here. So this is 180 degrees minus 108 degrees. Right. So 180 minus 108, so that is 72 degrees. That is 72 degrees. So first I said that, you see, this is 43. Where the 43 is vertically opposite angles. Call it vertically opposite angle. So it's vertically opposite to this side. Then we use sum of angles in a triangle to solve for C. So here, 43 plus the 65 plus C, and that will give us sum of angles in a triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle. So this 43 plus 65, that will give us 108 degrees. So plus equal to 180. Then C is equal to, you transfer the 108 to the other side, that becomes what? minus is positive here. So when you transfer, it becomes negative. So that will be 108. Then 180 minus 108, that is 72 degrees. Good. So now we know the angle C. Let's A and B. Now, one of the rules of paraline is that we have what we call alternate angles. So if C is 72 degrees, if C is 72 degrees, then the angle here, that is alternate. Alternate angles are the same. It's like Z angles. So here is 72 degrees. The angle here is also 72. And we call that under geometry alternate angles or Z angles. So B is equal to 72 degrees. Then you write beside it alternate angles. If you don't write beside it, that becomes what? Now, so this is alternate, so this or Z angle, so B becomes that is 72 degrees. Now A also, that is alternate angle. So A equal to 43 degrees. Alternate angles. Alternate angles. Alternate angles. Right. Right. So this is about parallels. Now we want to look at vectors. I want to look at vectors here. So the vector we have here said A is the point 5 minus 3 and B is the point 0.9. A is the point 5.3 and B is the point 0.9. Express the vector AB in the form x over y. X over y. So this is how you solve it. This is how you solve it. You have, if you want to talk about vector, the vector AB, to find AB is the difference between the vector A and B. So it is always the second vector minus the first one. So you can use small letters or use it in the form like this: OB minus OA. Or in other terms, you can write it B minus A in small letters. So this is what we call position vectors. Position vectors. This is position vectors. Yes. So here you have the B, the point B, that will be 0, 9 minus the point A, that is 5, negative 3. Right. So here 0 minus 5, then 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3. So this is minus 5, and this will give us 12. So that is the vector A, B, right? See you tomorrow. Make sure you follow me for more.